up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Spirit Halloween, Art the Clown. Alright guys, this guy is awesome. He is licensed from the Terrifier movie. I love how they're two companies this year, Party City and Spirit, doing the Terrifier. That's an independent film. I think that's awesome to show like caring to independent companies. This guy is definitely better than the Party City one. I actually did order the Party City one and it got here and his nose wasn't there. And I saw the face and I was like, what the flip? It's stupid. The face looks horrible. And I wasn't gonna keep both of them. I just wanted to see which one I like better. Even really before unboxing this guy, I kind of know. Like, this will be the one I'm keeping. I'm probably gonna try and put some perma blood on it as the DIY thing. This guy also has a very small box for how tall he is. He is 6'2", but his box is not big at all. So the first thing we have is the instructions. Pretty good quality, I think. I don't think they're just the regular paper. You can see the front right there. I don't think we're going to be needing them today. I have a pretty good idea of how to set this guy up. First thing is going to be the horn and the hand. This is awesome, actually. This is real metal. I love that. It's shiny. This looks pretty real. Looks really nice. Love it. Right here we have one of his shoes. Doesn't look like bad quality, doesn't look great, but feels pretty good actually. Right here is what you think would be a back frame, but this is actually his hip loop, which is very interesting. We have his hand that waves right here. Definitely a cool motion. I think it's very creepy how it waves to you. I think this guy just in the back of the display, not very up close, just waving, is gonna look great. One thing I've always just noticed about this thing is why are these two fingers together? Have not looked at it yet. This is his face. Wow, it looks really nice. This really does look like it looks very plastic, but it's not. Like, it doesn't look plastic. I'm not saying it looks bad at all. I think it looks amazing. I love the face on this guy. It just looks, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it looks really good, but it looks plastic kind of. You'd think it would be plastic, but it's actually latex right here. We have this whole torso thing and his mechanisms right here. The mechanisms don't look amazing, but they don't look bad. Like, I think it'll hold up. It just doesn't look like it's totally amazing. Right here we have this little flower sunglasses. Definitely be careful with these. These are not great quality at all, but I mean, they are sunglasses. We have this other shoe right here. 2 pieces of leg foam. Right here we have 2 of the leg poles. They don't look bad, but they don't look great either. I do wish they put a little support here, but hopefully this guy doesn't have a big problem with standing up. I don't think it will. Right here we have 2 other leg poles. Guess what this is from my unboxing if you've watched them? You know what this is. This is his adapter, always in that little white box. Lastly, we have his base, which is pretty small for how big this guy is. I mean, he's only 6'2", but still, I'd expect it to be a little bit bigger, but it should be fine. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. Alright guys, I got them all set up and ready to go. Everybody has been doing the demo with the glasses on, so I'm going to do it with them off. This guy looks really real. He looks like a real person. Here we go. Oh boy. Didn't sound good. All right, guys, so I messed around with the clothing a little bit, and the head is working fine now. I didn't plug in the sensor last time, so let's try him again now. All right, guys, so that was Art the Clown from Spirit Halloween. This guy is pretty cool. He definitely looks like a real person. I don't know which one I prefer, with the sunglasses on or off. I think it's definitely cool either way. I love that this is metal, but I really just can't get past it. This guy really does look real. Definitely is going to be very creepy. Definitely, I'm probably not going to have it in my room with all the other props. Well, some of them. Because these guys don't really look real. This guy does. Definitely could mistake that for a person. Even the Ringmaster doesn't look that realistic, I mean, in terms of a person. But this, it's got like the height and like the pose and like all that. It just looks, it looks ordinary, you know? It looks like something you would expect from a person. This guy retails for $200 at Spirit Halloween. And yes, you can use coupons. A lot of people said you can't, but you can. I think that was just a thing for a little bit. But yes, you can use coupons on Art the Clown and bring it down to like, what is it, like $160? Which is a great price for this guy. I'd say this guy's definitely worth $200, and like $160, totally. So I totally recommend this guy, definitely over the Party City one, just by even seeing it. This guy is a lot more realistic to the Terrifier, and he's just a lot more creepier in my opinion. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to purchase him. I will also leave a link to my merch store. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.